Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with PayPal by enabling two-factor security. Full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with PayPal by enabling two-factor security, begin by logging into your PayPal account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the settings gear icon located in the upper right corner. In the settings menu, look for the security option and click on it. You will see an option labeled two-step verification. Click on the Edit button next to it. You may be prompted to enter your PayPal password. Input your password and click Continue. After that, select how you want to receive your security codes. You can choose either via SMS or an authentication app. If you select SMS, enter your mobile number and click Next. PayPal will send a verification code to your phone. Check your messages, retrieve the code, and enter it in the Click Confirm to verify your phone number. If you choose to use an authentication app, select that option and follow the instructions provided on the screen. You'll need to scan the QR code with your authentication app, or enter the setup key manually. Once you have done this, the app will generate a code. Enter that code into your PayPal account and click Confirm. After successfully setting up two-step verification, you will receive a confirmation that it has been enabled. To ensure everything is set, log out of your account and try logging back in. When prompted, enter your password followed by the code sent to you or generated by your app. If you successfully log in, your two-factor authentication is working properly. For an added layer of security, consider saving backup codes provided during the setup for future access. That concludes the process of enabling two-factor security on your PayPal account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.